It's the K5 4K Ultra HD Full HD 1080p. It is nice packaging. Two cameras capture the surroundings in front and behind you. Enjoy your ride and sharing fun with friends. IN 2.4G, 5G, vlog, not sure what that means, push button, waterproof, to find out what that one means. So it looks like you've got some kind of connector, a camber system, a GPS, a switch, a rear camera and a front camera. Definitely nice packaging. Looks like the Dolomiten in Italy. Yeah, nice. So let's take out the main camera. So that's the main camera there, aluminium, one piece element, three-piece aluminium. That's the main camera. That's the switch, camera, GPS and Wi-Fi. That's the rear camera, and then you've got the GPS housing made from plastic because it has to be, so it can send a signal. It's pretty cool. What else is in there? Got a DC converter, mounts, lens, so that's the whole contraption. And you have a welcoming card, sticker, and an instruction manual by the looks. So let's look at the main camera. It's all packed into one. So there's the main camera. It's got, that must be the Bluetooth, I'm not sure, it's rubber. A Wi-Fi connectivity between the camera and your phone, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables. Yeah, they're all color coded. Then you've got the rear camera. It's got black, it's a longer cable. Then you've got the GPS housing, and it's color coded orange. You've got a speaker, it's for vlogging. That probably runs into your helmet. Nice clip, looks like good quality, red. And then you got a switch. It's got a thread in the back there. So that's got a thread in the back. And so has the main camera for mounting. And so let's have a look at the mounting options. You've got mounting options. There's, looks like a small screwdriver with 2 screws inside. Small screwdriver. You've got a card reader, branded, small card reader. Here you've got a pack of hardware, looks like a rubber strip. It's a rubber strip. Alright. Looks like a Allen key cable tie that's got a 3M attachment. That looks like a handlebar. It's made of plastic or metal. That's made of metal. Some kind of washer. 2 rings. It looks like a 4 axis aluminium kind of bracket or mounting bracket for the main camera. Yeah, somewhere. Have to look how we fit that later. There's the L bracket for, I think that's can mount the switch to, and some other hardware. Okay, so that's the hardware. And for the DC converter, oh no, there's more. Yeah, there's more. There is another box. We have 3M VHB stick, double-sided foam sticker. Yep, this is the mounting hardware for poles, for mounting it onto a bar. More mounting options. L bracket. Yeah, it looks like there's plenty of mounting options in there. It's very cool. But we'll put it onto the bike and actually show you how it fits. Put that in there so I can separate it, and then we've got a DC converter. Let's see what's inside there. Okay, so this is the harness to connect it straight to the bike. So we've got a DC converter. You can pause the video to have a look at that. So what it's doing is going to run up into the, that goes directly to the battery. Positive, ground, positive, negative. Oh, there's the negative there. So that's the wiring harness. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the INNOVV K5. Looks excellent quality. This is all hard aluminium. Really nice stuff. Looks like good quality stuff. So we can mount it to the bike and have a look where we can put it.